Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can stop following users on TikTok. So there are two methods that you can do if you want to unfollow someone. First, you can search for their account directly in here by clicking on this magnifying glass icon, and then you can just type in their username and then open it and unfollow it. Or you can also just go straight to your profile and head to your following list in here, and then find the account that you want to unfollow. For example, I'm going to unfollow this ones right here, this account. You can click on their profile. Sorry, let's click on their profile, and here you can tap on this. Now you will already unfollow the account, or you can also do it directly in here by clicking on this following button, and just like that you already stop following the users that you want to. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.